Regional investment to revitalize urban areas across Friuli Venezia Giulia.
A me il compito di illustrare
perlomeno quello di Rizzole.
How do you envision the regeneration projects, urban regeneration projects in Trieste, particularly in the neighborhoods of San Giacomo and Valmaura, contributing to the city's long-term development, both socially and economically?
Yes, the transformation of some parts of the city as the only way to regenerate them in social and economical way. This is a system that we can observe in other cities like Milan, in Italy, and it is a method that can change completely the urban context. And so our region want to help the municipality to project the new part of their cities.